ओके सो वेलकम इन YCIS का कैंपस। तो ये है YC का एक्सपो, एजुकेशन एक्सपो जो मैं बोल रही थी अंडर ग्रेड कोर्सेज़ के लिए। आप यहाँ पे आइए, इंक्वायरी कीजिए। और ये जून जुलाई मतलब जून के एंडिंग में ये सारी एडमिशन प्रोसेसेस ख़त्म होने वाली है। आज देखिए, आज है 29 जून एंड अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 1 जुलाई तक हो सकता है चालू। ठीक है, तो here I am with all your questions.
Okay, so you've been commenting so many questions and I was like, oh no, if I'm unable to answer you, then फिर क्या ही फ़ायदा ना YouTube पे YC के related vlogs बनाने का. So here I am with Neha ma'am. She is
assistant professor at zoology.
yeah, and now she's going to answer all your questions. So whatever I remember, one of you questioned how to register online for undergrad courses.
Okay, so hello everyone. So here I'm going to tell you some info about our, if you want to take admission to our YC Institute of Science, then it's a very easy task. Just you have to go visit our website, that is ycis.ac.in. There you will get a link on like BSc1 admission. So you have to click on that BSc1 admission, and then you will get a list of courses whichever you want, and just click on that course. Then you have to you must have a login and username password. So there you can get all the information that how to register. Then once you get registered, you can choose the course, you can fill up the form, and if you want to fill up the form, you need a iCard size photo, a scanned sign, okay, and your Aadhaar card number. So once you have all this detail and also details of your 12th marks, okay, then once you fill all this information, you are registered. You have to pay you have to pay 100 rupees for that, okay, and it's an online payment, so no problem regarding that. So once you have done with all, you are getting registered that subject, and then our faculty will look into that. Then also after that online registration, you have to visit our YC Science Education Expo, and it is going well. So admissions are going on, and I think all the seats are getting booked. So it's now your turn that register as soon as possible to whichever subjects you want, and visit our YCS soon to get your admission as soon as possible. One more thing I would like to tell, that how many courses we have. So we have a total of 29 courses of general science and professional courses, and we have lots of new courses. We have 10 general science. If you want to do plain BSc, then we have 10 general science courses, and if you want some professional science courses, we have 19 different professional science courses, and some newly added courses are like data science, artificial intelligence, and bioinformatics. And yeah, there's a good news for all the bio students who want to do who want biology also and some computer applications also. Then you get the combination in bioinformatics and very large and vast field where you have very good career opportunity for bio students for getting this advanced field. So very soon, please visit us to our college, and you can contact Zubin for any more information. Thank you.
So once we are done with all online process, like all form filling and all, once we have that print, we just have to submit it here or anything else.
Okay, once you fill up your form through online mode, you have to take a hard copy and visit our YCS. Then the respective department faculty will go through your online form. Then they will give you a prospectus which costs 200 rupees. Then you have to take that prospectus and fill up the 3 forms, and then you have to submit it to that department, and then you are allowed to fill up the fees, whatever fees are. And one more thing, that there is no need to fill the fees in one time. You can fill up in installment also. So that's a good news for you also.
So once you have paid the fees, you are admitted.
Yes.
Okay.
So this is the YCIS portal. You just have to go to Chrome and type there ycis.ac.in, and this page will appear in front of you. Then you have to pick whatever you want to do. It could be MSc or BSc. Of course, here we are for BSc, like undergrad courses. So here BSc admission notice 2024-2025. You have to click on that and wait until that opens. So here it is. Now you have to do the registration first. Put your name, whatever your name is, put your name. So here I did Also you have to set a password on it. Here Google suggested me some, and then you have to put your mobile number and your email address. Okay, now again you have to log in into that account by putting your username and your password. Okay, after logging in you put all your information and submit the form. So जब तक ये login हो रहा है, let me tell you what is the hostel fees for bachelors as well as for juniors. So I asked this to one of my friends. I don't know how much it is going to vary this year, but it is approximately 21,000 per year. Okay, so here it is. You have to select for undergrad courses and then put the title, put your name, and once you're done with the form filling, you just have to take a print along with your documents and submit it here.
तो अभी अभी हम लोग ने आईटी और कंप्यूटर साइंस की भी इंफॉर्मेशन ले ली है एंड वी आर वॉकिंग थ्रू द कैंपस ऑफ वाईसी एंड लुक एट हियर, that's my picture over there, and that's Zubina Tar. This is Zubina Tar, and yeah, I scored 92% in 92 marks in bio, not percent. Okay, let me take a picture. लस्सी क्रेविंग्स होते हैं। लस्सी वाली आंटी चली गई अभी, वो घोरपड़ीज बंद हो चुका है। हमारे ना कॉलेज के सामने एक कैफ़े था घोरपड़ीज नाम का, मतलब हम लोग बार बार उधर ही जाते थे। कार नहीं है कैंपस में, कार आ गई। हाँ, तो अभी वो बंद है, इसीलिए हम लोग किसी और जगह पे जाते हैं इफ़ यू वांट। पर उससे पहले असीन, यू नीड टू एक्सप्लेन व्हाट इज़ द डिफरेंस बिटवीन कंप्यूटर साइंस एंड आईटी। कम ऑन।
आईटी में आईटी है, सीएस में सीएस है। शायद जुबिन दीदी को पता नहीं है, पर मुझे पता है आईटी और सीएस का डिफरेंस। आईटी में प्रोग्रामिंग वगैरह, सॉरी सीएस में प्रोग्रामिंग वगैरह होता है, सॉफ्ट हार्ड और समझदार, और आईटी में वो सब इम्प्लीमेंट करना सिखाते हैं। ये पता है मुझे, पहले से ही पता था।
और बेसिकली हमारे ना एक बाबर सर ने, उन्होंने क्या बोला कि जो खाना प्रेजेंट करने का काम होता है वो आईटी वाले लोग करते हैं, और जो खाना बनाने का काम होता है वो सीएस का होता है। मतलब बैक एंड पे पूरा सीएस चलता है।
मीनिंग तो सेम ही है ना।
लगी पड़ी है
भूख